The camera slowly pans across the polished marble floor, reflecting the glow of overhead spotlights. Large glass windows allow natural light to flood the space. In the heart of craftsmanship lies power, elegance, and legacy. The camera zooms in on the front headlamp, then gently glides over the muscular tank and sleek exhaust. Introducing the Royal Enfield Shotgun 650, a perfect blend of heritage and innovation. The side profile of the motorcycle is revealed, with the name, Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 feet gleaming behind it in bold, elegant lettering. A machine designed not just to ride, but to command attention. Slow-motion shots of hands gently gliding over the handlebars, seat, and fuel tank. Every curve, every contour, sculpted to perfection. The lights dim except for a spotlight that follows the bike as the camera rotates around it. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's an experience. The camera pulls back, showcasing the entire showroom with the Shotgun 650 as the centerpiece. Royal Enfield Shotgun 650, make your mark. The screen fades to black, with the text, Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 power. Precision, prestige. Appearing softly, the Royal Enfield logo fades in as music swells and fades out.